Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. As you know, there is no direct feature in Snapchat to turn on dark mode. So what we have to do is go to your phone setting, then go to display and brightness. This feature might not available for everyone, so please don't be mad at me. Turn on dark mode, then check. As you can see, it is still not turned on, so get back and now click on this and here dark mode for third-party apps. As you can see, this is a beta option. Now go there and turn on for Snapchat. Turn on. Let's check again. See, it's turned to black. Now you can use it on dark mode. So that's it for today, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.